Good morning all of you. Myself Bhavika Rajpatel, lecturer of Civil Engineering Department at Vallabhati Polytechnic. Today I am going to share with you numericals of moment distribution in which we calculate the fixed end moment and how to calculate the distribution factor we will discuss. The ABCD beam which carries different types of load. The span AB carries 50 kN per meter UDL, BC carries UDL of 25 kN per meter, CD carries point load of 60 kN. As well as the span AB length is 3.6 meter, 4.8 meter is BC and CD span is 4 meter. The numerical of moment distribution method. Step number 1 is calculate the fixed end moment. You can see the span AB, BC and CD. There are the three span. Over here we have to find out MFAB, MFBA, MFBC, MFCD and MFCD and MFDC. Now the first is MFAB. What is the formula of MFAB? Here you can see the minus WL square by 12. For the UDL load, the formula is WL square by 12 and the minus sign which represent the A to B direction, which is anti-clockwise, and we have to use minus WL square by 12 for the UDL. As well as same thing MFBA, which is positive, B to A which represent the clockwise direction, and we have to use the positive WL square divided by 10. Now the turn of span BC, then span BC also carries the UDL of 25 kN per meter, which is UDL. Then B to C, like this B to C, which is anti-clockwise direction, the negative side will be here minus WL square by 12. Next is C to B, which is clockwise. Now MFCD, which is C to B, which is clockwise direction. Then positive WL square by 12. Now the turn of the span C. Here you can see the C to D is anti-clockwise and B to C is clockwise. So the MFCD is equal to minus WL by 8. The formula of point load is WL square WL. The formula of point load, which is WL by 8, and MFDC is equal to plus WL by 8. Now all formula are here. Now you can see the formula of all formula are ready to be done. Now you have to calculate the fixed end moment, putting this all values in this formula. First we have to calculate MFAB. W is equal to 50, which is 50. L is equal to 3.6 and divided by 12. The answer is minus 54 kilonewton into meter. The unit of moment is kilonewton into meter. Same thing MFBA. Now you have to calculate MFBA. Same answer is, now you have to calculate MFBA. Same thing, plus WL square by 12. All the values are same, so the answer also the same, but here the sign is changed. Next is MFBA. All the values of span BC, put 25 and 4.8, and the calculation of MFBC is done for the now calculate the MFBC minus WL square divided by 12. All the values of BC is here, where W is 25 and L is equal to 4.8. 25 into 4.8 square divided by 12. The answer will be minus 48 kilonewton into meter. Same thing for MFCD, which is plus 48 kilonewton into meter. Next is MFCD, which is minus WL by 8. W is equal to 60, L is equal to 4, and the answer will be minus 30 kilonewton into meter. Next is MFDC plus WL by 12, which is plus 30 kilonewton into meter. Now the first step is complete here, fix and moment. Now the second step is distribution factor. We also use the term distribution factor as DF. Now first column is joint, second is member, third is stiffness, which is denoted by the K. Next is summation of K, and last is distribution factor, which is calculated by stiffness divided by summation of all the members' stiffness. Find out the distribution factor. The joints are, you can see here the 4 joints: joint A, joint B, joint C and joint D. In moment distribution method, if the last end or end support are the free end or simply supported, the distribution factor is directly the 1. Or and if end supports are fixed, then distribution factor will be 0. Here you can see the A and D support are the simply supported. So you can easily find out the distribution factor of A and D directly 1 and 1. Next is intermediate support B, which have two members, member BA and member BC. BA and BC. If the far end is simply supported, then the stiffness will be 3EI divided by L. In case of BC span, there is BC span is intermediate span. There is the two support C and support D. 2 span here, then stiffness will be 4EI divided by L. In case of fixed support, also the 4EI divided by L taken. If D is the fixed support, also if D is the fixed support, also in case of the fixed support, the stiffness of the support, which is 4EI divided by L. Now BA is 3EI divided by L, which is L is equal to 3.6. Calculate the 3 divided by 3.6. Answer will be the 0.833 EI. Next is 4 EI divided by L for span BC. L is equal to 4.8. Now 4 divided by 4.8 EI. Answer will be the 0.833 EI. Now next one is summation of K. The member of BA and member of BC stiffness are 0.833 EI, 0.833 EI. Summation of K is summation of stiffness of BA and stiffness of BC, which is 1.666 EI. Means BA plus BC is equal to 1.666 EI. Now the distribution factor is K divided by summation of K, means 0.833 EI divided by 1.666 EI. The answer will be the 0.5. Next, for member BC, distribution factor will be K divided by summation of K. Next is 0.833 EI divided by 1.666 EI. The answer is 0.5. Now, what we have to do? The distribution factor of two member of intermediate support. The two member distribution factor summation will have to 1. Now, distribution factor of one member should be is equal to 1. Now 0.5 plus 0.5 answer is 1. The correct value are here. Next member or next joint C. The joint C have two member. CB and CD. CB also 4 year divided by L, intermediate A and B support, and CD 1 support here only and simply supported here 3 year divided by L. Next 4 year divided by L, L will be the member CD 4 year divided by L. The L of CB span is 4.8 meter. Then calculate the 4 divided by 4.8 EI. Answer is 0.8333 EI. Same thing for the case CD. 3 EI divided by L. L is equal to 4 meter for CD span. Then answer is 3 divided by 4 EI is equal to 0.75 EI. Stiffness. Next is summation of K means summation of stiffness. Two members are here, CD and CD. The summation of stiffness will be the 1.583 EI. The distribution factor is K divided by summation of K. For member CD, distribution factor will be 0.8333 EI divided by 1.583 EI. The answer is 0.526. For the CD span, distribution factor is 0.75 EI divided by 1.53 EI. The answer is 0.473. You can also calculate the two distribution factor 0.526 plus 0.473 is equals to 1. And when you cross check the value of distribution factor is 1, the answer is correct.